I will share with you a few ways of how you can get your members who are paying you $97 per month, for example, for your Skool membership coaching program, how you can get them to refer to you more members. I will share with you how you can ask them to write down a few people that they know out of their existing network that would also benefit from this program of yours, right? How they can ask their people to potentially join your membership program. And I'll talk about a few conversion strategies through which you can then convert those people who come to you into your members and sign them under your members affiliate links, so your members are now paid commissions as well. Talk about how to actually get your members, refer more members into your program, right? Understand this, that you're gonna need to build a system around it, right? Your members might not even know that they can make money or refer more people coming to you on their own, right? So you need to show them, tell them, and sometimes hold their hand and guide them on this journey. So you're gonna need to let your members know that this feature exists, right? So when someone will come and pay into your program, right, you should mention this in your welcome DM or welcome post or a welcome email, right? You need to tell people that there is this possibility, right? When you send a welcome email out, right, in your course area, you could have a mini section, a lesson, right, that teaches your members how to invite more people into your program. You should have a lesson, I'll put here on my screen as well, how I have in my program a lesson that tells people, hey, this is how you can invite 2 or 3 people to join, and if you do so, you're gonna be paid monthly commission. When someone joins, right, you can tell them automatically, you can even have a course lesson, right? But while they're now your members in your membership program, right, when you're guiding them through your customer success journey and some people will start succeeding and so on, right, you can then privately DM your successful members and tell them, hey, who else do you know, right? So after they are already in, you could just ask them that they invite more people to you. I'm gonna explain you a little quick lesson module, right, of how I get my members refer me more members just in a second. But I'll bring up one more thing, right? Creating the system around this referral marketing idea, right? You could tell your members that they could get an extra weekly group coaching call if they want to become active with referring more members into your program. So that's what I started doing. I'm running now a weekly leadership group coaching call. I call it a leadership because it's a combination of both 50-50 of me teaching my members stuff that we are studying anyway, right? But I also help them to know how they can refer more members, right? And on those 30-minute, 1 hour sessions, right, half of it, right, we spend some time together and we write some people down and we DM some people on a live call to invite them into my program. So just bringing this idea up, that your members who chose to be actively inviting more people, right, can get more of your help in and they're gonna make money with that as well, right? So they get access to this weekly group call extra with you, where you are teaching them how they can invite more people, right? And you discuss with them as well, hey, this is how to support new members, this is how our course works. So these are called weekly leadership group calls, which we give extra to those who chose that they want to refer more people to you. So now let's talk about the growth ideas or what to say to your members to get more referrals out of them, right? And how this all works. Your goal for each of your members who chose that they would want to invite more people into your program is that they sign 1, 2, or 3 people through the commission affiliate system, because that will secure them a membership free forever if it's 40%, right? 40% of 100 is $40 times 3, it's 120 per month, right? And if they're only paying 100 now, they're making 120, they have the membership of yours now practically for free now, right? And then if they invite more people, they will start making even more money now. But this is how you're gonna get your members now, refer more members to you. The first method that you would want to practice and master is the idea of telling your members, hey, who do you know that could also benefit of this community, right? Can you write 3 to 5 people down and send them over to me, right? Then they will write 3 to 5 people down. They need to know what to say to those people, right? That is this idea that I started using. They should simply say, hey, I am part of this support community program where we are all achieving this outcome, and I thought of you and I wanted to maybe invite you to also come in and participate with us so we support one another other, would you want to know more about it, right? So your members could say to those contacts that they know that they've wrote down, right, this idea. And then when they say yes, or so those new people, right, then your members can get them to talk to you. So the first way of you signing the new people is just go on calls with them, and you can do those calls on your own, or you can do them in a three-way environment with the member who invited the new person and the new person and you can three guys talk together, right, on a call, and you sign the new person in. So that's the basic idea you're gonna need to first master. Ask your members, hey, who do you know? Write those people down, right? Let them write the people down, and you teach your members, hey, DM them with that I just brought up before. They're gonna DM those, and then they're gonna introduce them to you. You're gonna talk to them. I started doing something cool here in my CRM. I call it referrals pipeline, right? Any kind of new contacts that my members write down and recommend to me, right? I started managing the pipeline of referrals, people, new people, right? So I don't forget to follow up with those people on my own. I sometimes want to do some work for my members, right? So we don't lose those new candidates and we really sign them into my program. I'm just bringing this up because that's part of my course, right? There is like 4, 5, 6, 7 lessons in my course that I'm teaching my members, right? How to apply this to their own memberships, right? Now, your members, right, they can either invite those new people to come to talk to you as the owner, or you could teach your members how they can go on one-on-one quick calls just on their own and sign them into your membership program on their own, right? So that's a lesson that I also have in my course. Or your member could rather instead not get them to talk to you, or they wouldn't even need to go talk to them on their own, but they would maybe invite them, the new person, to your webinar, free webinar, and that free webinar would then convert the new person to sign through the members affiliate link, right? So you could be running webinars for group enrollments, right? Another growth idea that I wrote down is that you could be doing joint venture collaborations with certain other influencers who have bigger audiences, right? But they are non-competitive to you. So if you are a mindset coach for women, for example, right? But that other influencer with a big audience is a weight loss coach for women, right? You guys could do a collab and you could tell to that influencer, hey, I have this program, I have an affiliate system. If we get out of your audience, sign, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 people, you're gonna be making monthly 40% commissions from those people who came in. So you could do this kind of joint venture collabs with bigger people. There is a few more ideas and techniques through which you can make your affiliate referral marketing here work, right? For example, another one is you could have a small or a teammate or hire a VA, right? Who is just kind of reaching out to new people in certain places. I'm not gonna talk about this idea too much, but they could be getting people just by cold DM or cold email or even through warm content attraction, right? Could be getting more people come to your email list or so, and then from there into your membership program, and this VA, this person could be getting commission for doing that. That's just another idea. I've heard of a new technique as well called a referral push system. So that would be like, hey guys, for this, you could tell this to your audience, to your members, hey guys, for this next 1 month, we're gonna go through a large push together, right? Who wants to participate? You would ask your members, right? And we're gonna be strategically pushing for the next 2-3 weeks and inviting more people into our program. We'll be focused, we'll be writing people, and we'll be talking to new people, and we will go through this push, right? So that's another idea. But the last note that I have here is that you could get more members into your membership program who would come in, right, with an idea and a goal as well, that they're gonna make money through your affiliate program, right? You could be sending emails or creating content on your social media out, and you could say to everyone this, hey, everyone out there, right? Hey, if you would like to lose weight or so, I can help you with that. And at the same time, you could, in exchange or so, also be able to make a little money per month, commissions, if you help me in exchange for me helping you lose weight, right? If you recommend a few more people that you know of into my program, right? Comment weight loss and I'm gonna get you with more info, right? So that's getting people to comment, to request more info. Or you could, if you send an email out, you could say, click this link to apply so we can discuss how we can make this work, right? But the idea here is that you can create social media content or emails or YouTube videos where you tell everyone, hey, there is an option that I can guide you on this journey for you to lose weight, and at the same time you can make money with it, right? And you're gonna need to, then you're gonna tell them that they're gonna want to refer some people to your membership program. But that's just another growth technique that you can make work for yourself. Hopefully you liked this video, and I want to invite you to come into our free Skool community where we support one another. I run a free Skool community where I teach how you can sign your first 5, 10, 15 members paying you and then grow to 100. And one of those techniques through which we all grow is also Skool affiliate referral marketing, right? If you would like to get into our community for free so we support one another, find the link down below, join us, and can't wait to meet you so we grow together.